Started from the basics, I was hoping for a raise. Little crave, trying to understand my name.
Yeah, so yeah, what's up, guys? It's Data Kind of Story here again, and yeah, I'm here to just talk about briefly about the difference between. 'Cause I know a lot of people have this question, and they would need answer to such question, and basically, it's just the difference between a data scientist, a data analyst, and also a data engineer. Because I mean, there's this new concept that has come, and it's data engineering. And a lot of people don't really understand who a data engineer is. And sometimes there might be this confusion where they liken a data engineer to a DevOps engineer. We they kind of play similar roles, but just in a different um, context or in a different field. So yeah, so basically, like I mean, like you would know, first of all, I'll start with data analyst. So a data analyst is someone that gets insights from data, and so getting insights in terms of you have a bunch of data, and then your company or an organization requires you to get insights from those data in order to make decisions. So those insights could vary. You know, it could be they want to determine how much sales they made in a particular time and what influenced those sales. So it's not just um, holistic insights or holistic information that you can easily get from data, but they want to get deeper meanings from data. They want to understand what caused an issue. You know why did it happen? So they are about. I would say there are three important questions that a data analyst will ask, and those questions will be, why, how, and when. So it basically just sums up, what would be very important for stakeholders or the organization. So that's basically what a data analyst will do, get insights with data, and stakeholders will be able to use that insights to make decisions in order to improve their business or to improve security. That's why you have data security analyst as well, out there. And then the data scientist. So basically, a data scientist um, goes a step beyond what a data analyst will do. So now they're not just getting insights from data, but they're using those insights that they have gotten and the data that they have to make predictions. So it's almost like a step further from getting insights. So getting insights is just a current state of mind, a current state of it's just a current state, where you have gotten those insights and then you can now use it to probably prevent something or to enhance something. But then a data scientist is going to get get data and then use the information from the data to actually make predictions about the future, which even makes it more automated. And that's where you have machine learning models involved and algorithms, that's able to make predictions, tell the company that or stakeholder that, what, in next 2 years this is what's going to happen. So that's what a data scientist would do. And then now a data engineer, which is a new concept that I'm really keen on these days, and it's actually very interesting. um Data engineers basically are the people that would gather this data and make this data available to data scientists and data analysts. So what they do is that they create pipelines, and they use those pipelines would then be able to pass out information, just basically gather information. So it could be APIs, it could be creating automated pipelines using certain tools. It could be the cloud tools. They work with the cloud a lot as well, just like DevOps engineers, and also DevOps engineers also create pipelines as well to automate processes. But this time around, data engineers are creating pipelines to automate how data is being gathered and fetched, you know. And so yeah, they are sort of like the infrastructure of data, which is a very interesting concept because it feels like a DevOps engineer can now easily move on to becoming a data engineer. And I feel like you'll get to a point where um, companies will probably recruiting DevOps engineers and also giving them similar roles to what a data engineer would do. So there's that borderline there that's probably going to be a topic for the future. So yeah, so that's basically it. And yeah, once again, it's data kind of story. So yeah, so please kindly subscribe. Thank you.
Full stop. Me I no sign them. Enemies are one. Me I'm gonna gun them. My mind on my moolah. Pay me my moolah. My mind on my moolah. Moolah. My mind is made up.